Condominium ownership. What do you need to know? If you're planning to buy a condominium, or you've already bought a condo and you're living in it, there are certain things you need to know about condominium ownership, because it's a little bit different than owning a regular home. When you buy a condominium, you're assigned essentially shares in the condominium corporation. They call them unit factors, but they act as the same kind of mechanism in that your voting rights are related to how many shares or how many units you have in the condominium project. It's essentially the same thing, so think of them that way and it's easy. The other thing you need to know about condominium projects is who runs it. Often when we see problems with condominium ownership, it's because the people who are running the condominium corporation don't really have a good idea of what's involved in controlling and maintaining a major asset like a condo. You have people who don't have experience with that. So it's good when they involve a condominium property management company, or they make sure that the people on the board, condo board, understand how important it is to be really on top of things in terms of the condominium corporation. Other things you need to know, that there are rules set by the condominium corporation, and if you own it, you have to follow those rules. And the rules can change through time, including things like if your car makes a stain, an oil stain in the parkade, or if you have too much noise, or where you're allowed or not allowed to smoke, if you're allowed to have dogs, what size cats, any kind of pets. Some restrict things like water beds, which people don't really use anymore, but you need to know what it is that you have to follow in terms of the rules before you buy. That's going to be most important. So if you're thinking of buying a condominium, make sure that you understand all the rules and what it's involved in owning a condominium before you make that purchase. That's another Kahane Law Legal Minute. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget, like our video, share our video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you get the updates whenever we post new ones. Thank you. Bye.